vegetables, plantain. And this is me misbehaving. I am trying some Pilates, Pilates. I think I have an amazing view. Let me show you. Isn't it wonderful? It's giving vacation. This is the studio, empty. If you there for me, give me all the pain. For your sake, honey, I could disappear, honey. All up in my face, you make you bursting. Come make a jam your machinery. If you there for me, give me all the pain. For your sake, honey, I could disappear, honey. All up in my face, you make you bursting. Come make a jam your machinery. Oh my licha. Lately, I've been so into blowing bubbles. I don't know what is wrong with me, but I just find it so addictive. It's so addictive. In fact, I recommend blowing bubbles if you feel like you want to quit smoking. I don't smoke though, but went on to our first appointment of the day, more like our first and only appointment. The Uber driver was very friendly, not too friendly, and yeah, we were at the appointment and it got to last 2 hours unexpectedly, and we were already supposed to go to work. Since our house isn't far from the appointment, we decided to walk back home, and as soon as we got home, I decided to take a nap. I literally passed out, as you can see. It was time for work, so I got into my scrubs and I was very excited for work, even though I was kind of tired. We were getting late, but luckily my mom was there to take us to work, which is always fun, but she was really tired. We made it to work in time regardless, and they were celebrating nursing home week, so we had some ice cream. And then I found out that our names were not on the schedule for work that day. I was so happy. I couldn't even hide my happiness. I don't know, but I was so happy to the point where I decided that I was going to have lunch on the balcony. So it's just some vegetables, yam and chicken, which I didn't get to go through 50% of it. I ended up having only the vegetables, and by evening I decided to watch some Britain's Got Talent. I have to wash my hair because this has been going on for about 3 days now. I do have a couple of things to do today. We have our Batibo meeting, which held monthly, and we have to get ready for that. Since I can't show you me taking my shower, I'm just going to show you what I use. This shampoo for my hair. For my face, I like to use the CeraVe Renewing as a cleanser. It's really nice. I'll use the CeraVe Acne Control Cleanser, Neutrogena Rain Bath Refreshing Shower and Bath Gel. It smells good. And I have to use a scrub today. Most of the things here are from Bath and Body Works. Sometimes I would use this for my body. I like it. It smells so good. Still use Nivea. It's also really moisturizing. Most of the times, I'm just going to use this Dr. Teal's moisturizing bath and body oil. And each time something goes wrong with my skin, I always try to use like very simple things like vitamin E oil, vitamin C oil. It helps my skin recover. I know I look extremely crazy right now, but there's absolutely nothing I can do. This is me in the morning most of the days. Let's go take a shower. Wasn't wearing any makeup today. I didn't feel like. The dress is from Fashion Nova. It's a denim pair, and my shoes are from All Stars. My mom got all of them, and we took these really cute photos. My sister Samantha made Favor wear her own pair of the jeans. I didn't really know how to feel about it because we were looking like triplets. Well, we got to the location. My mom wasn't present this day, but we were here with Auntie Tina and Auntie Brie, and we were taking some pictures outside before going back inside. The person hosting had a very nice house, as you can see, and this is where the food was kept, and children even had their own bounce castle to keep them busy. Need someone, somebody to love me.
No, it's okay. She's not showing. She's showing here.
Yes.
just sharp proper. Cover face like badger. Get feel but we know the cup. Sit up on them tap.
I got some rice, some beans, some vegetables, plantain, cookie corn, and this was what I was left with.
We'll begin this meeting as we don't really begin them.
That was how the weekend ended, with so many amazing and fun memories. Here are all the pictures I took that I really loved, and this is me misbehaving when everyone had left because I can't show my true colors in public. I hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as I enjoyed my weekend. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.